Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon as and when the readings come. And I'm happy you all are resonating. There are a few of you who say that the day goes exactly the way I have said. So I would really love to get more feedbacks from you all, more comments from you all, so that I'm also happy. It's an encouragement for me. And at the same time, I come to know how you all are resonating. So let's go with these cards. Let's see what is in the store. The first card is Fool. So Fool does not need to be a wrong card. It can also be a beginning of a journey, but these cards actually speak a very different picture. The images are very different. And the next card which has come is Four of Wands. So first, let's predict this. Okay. Now when I see this card, basically, I feel there's a person who's leaning forward and trying to reach for the sky. And if you see here down, there are beautiful fishes. So I feel today will be a day of happiness, a day of abundance, a day of prosperity. Maybe for some of you, if you're waiting for some answer in your career or in your business, you will be able to get that answer and you'll be happy that things are falling in place at last the way you wanted. And if there is some money which is due to you, you will get that money today. And if there is some good news which is coming your way, then today is the day it will come. Now this is what I felt for your professional life. Now let's see. Four of Wands, basically some of you might have opted for work from home, or some of you may be working from home today and enjoying that. But those for whom are looking for marriage proposals, chances are very high that you will get a marriage proposal today. People who are looking for taking the next step in their life, in their love relationship, today is the day where you can try to speak to your partner to see what is it that they want in terms of relationship. So I feel guided to pull another card, so I'm just pulling one more card. Beautiful card. So overall I feel Star, you're going to outshine today. Things are going to be really good today. 108 times chant Om Namah Shivaya. And also, if there is a shivling at your home, or if you know a temple nearby where there is a shivling, give them a packet of milk and ask them to do Abhishek for Lord Shiva with that packet. And also today, if possible, donate one or two of your old clothes to someone in need. And today the color that you're supposed to wear will be yellow. So either wear yellow or wear orangish yellow, but overall I feel golden tint is the color for today. That's why I said yellow. And I'm sure you all are going to have an abundant and a blessed day with loads of happy news and prosperity. Have a blessed day.